The 2027 Nokia 8005G is more than just a smartphone. It's a bold statement of style, power, and nostalgia reimagined for the future. Designed for users who appreciate premium aesthetics with modern performance, this device blends Nokia's iconic legacy with cutting-edge technology in a way that truly stands out in today's crowded smartphone market. At first glance, the Nokia 8005G grabs attention with its sleek glass-like finish and precision-crafted frame. The design feels luxurious in hand, offering a refined look that reflects both durability and elegance. The curved edges and polished back give it a premium feel that rivals flagship devices, making it perfect for users who want both style and substance. Under the hood, the phone is powered by an advanced 5G-enabled processor that ensures ultra-fast connectivity and smooth performance. Whether you're streaming high-definition videos, playing demanding games, or multitasking between apps, the Nokia 8005G delivers a seamless experience. Paired with optimized RAM and storage options, users can expect lag-free performance even during heavy usage. The display is another highlight of this device. Featuring a vibrant AMOLED panel, the Nokia 8005G offers rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness levels. Watching movies or browsing social media becomes a visually immersive experience. The screen is also designed to be power efficient, ensuring longer battery life without compromising on quality. Speaking of battery, Nokia has equipped this device with a long-lasting battery that easily gets you through a full day of use. With fast charging support, you can quickly power up your device and get back to what matters most. This makes it an ideal companion for busy lifestyles where downtime is not an option. The camera system on the Nokia 8005G is designed to capture life's moments with clarity and precision. Whether it's daylight photography or low-light shots, the camera performs impressively, delivering sharp images with natural colors. AI enhancements further improve image quality, making every shot social media ready. On the software side, the phone runs a clean and user-friendly interface, staying true to Nokia's promise of simplicity and reliability. Regular updates ensure security and performance improvements, giving users peace of mind over time. What truly makes the Nokia 8005G special is how it bridges the gap between classic Nokia charm and modern innovation. It's a device that appeals to both longtime fans and new users looking for something different from the usual smartphone designs. In conclusion, the 2027 Nokia 8005G is a perfect blend of style, performance, and reliability. It's not just a phone, it's an experience that brings together the best of the past and the future. If you're looking for a smartphone that stands out while delivering solid performance, this might just be your next favorite device. Let me know if you also want title, description, and keywords for your YouTube video.